A very good morning to you children. Like in the today's session, we are going to learn about grammar chapter. One more new concept we are going to learn about sentence structure. Okay, in the previous videos we have learned about capitalization. We have seen about the rules what to follow capitalization. We have seen about the punctuation marks called full stop, then question mark and also exclamatory mark. Okay, so today we are going to learn what is a sentence structure. Okay, so in the sentence structure children, it is nothing but a way to speak. Okay, a way to talk. Okay, is nothing but sentence structure. The way you speak or whatever you speak is nothing but sentence, and sentence should always convey something. A sentence should always tell us something about what we want to understand or what we want to tell. For example, if I tell I like grapes. Okay, now here I have written a fruit called grapes which I like. That means I am telling you something about my like, that I like grapes. So this makes a complete sentence because this sentence is telling you something about me. If I tell you, give me a glass of water. Okay, now here in this sentence also it is showing or it is telling something that I am asking for water. Give me a glass of water. That means this is a complete sentence structure. That means it is telling you something about that I want a glass of वाटर. अगर कोई सेंटेंस आपको किसी चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है या आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा है या आपसे कुछ मांग रहा है, ओके, और आपको वो समझ आता है, देन दैट इज अ सेंटेंस और अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. ओके, इफ आई टेल यू माई ईट टिफिन cat. Okay, now in this sentence, okay, there are three major words like eat, eating, tiffin, what you carry to your school, tiffin, eating, okay, and cat. Cat is an animal. Now my eat, tiffin, cat. Did this sentence make a complete sense? क्या ये सेंटेंस पढ़ने के बाद आपको पता चलता है कि ये सेंटेंस में क्या लिखा है? No, it is not. So this is an absolutely wrong sentence formation. Okay, this is absolutely wrong sentence formation. Okay, now if simultaneously if I tell you give me a glass of water, what did you understand by this sentence? That I am already asking you for a glass of water. So this is a complete sentence, okay, and it is a correct form of sentence. Now the second one, if you take this the first example which I gave you, I like grapes. Okay, that means this sentence is telling you something about me, that which fruit do I like? I like grapes. So this is a complete or a correct sentence. Okay children, so regarding this or sentence structure or sensible sentence or correct sentence, let us see one video also. Okay, so to understand a new concept that what is a sensible sentence. Okay children.
Introduction to grammar. Sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes sense. For example, Ron is playing football. The sun rises in the east. Both these group of words make complete sense. Therefore, these are sentences. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. In the sentence, the letter S is written in the capital form and the sentence ends with a period or full stop. Let's take another example. The children are playing. Here, the letter T is written in the capital form and the sentence ends with a full stop. Read the given group of words. To, water, swim, the. This, no, print, here. So, put it. But he did not. These group of words do not make complete sense. They do not begin with a capital letter, nor do they end with a full stop. So, these are not sentences. When we speak, we use sentences. Let's solve an exercise. Let's pick out the group of words that are sentences and place them on the column to the right. The school bus has many children. These group of words make complete sense. They begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So, it is a sentence and we can place it in the column to the right. There are fishes in the pond. These group of words also make complete sense and it is a sentence. Now let's look at some more examples. Book, read, like to semi. These group of words make no sense. So it is not a sentence and we cannot place it in the column to the right. My mother makes tasty pasta. This group of words make complete sense, begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. So, it is a sentence. Keep the book. This group of words does not begin with a capital letter nor does it end with a full stop. So, it is not a complete sentence, so we cannot place it in the column to the right. Let's solve an exercise. The given sentences do not make sense. Let's try to correct them. Tall is the building very. Healthy is water, drink a coconut. Bright, it is sunny and today. Math, I learning love. Let's try to correct these sentences. The first one would be, the building is very tall. Now the sentence makes complete sense. Remember to begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Let's try the second sentence. It would be, coconut water is a healthy drink. Yes, now it makes complete sense. The third sentence would be, it is bright and sunny today. The fourth would be, yes, I love learning maths.
Sensible sentences. Every sentence has two parts. That is, the naming part and the telling part. A lion is roaring. In this sentence, a lion is the naming part and is roaring is the telling part. The naming part tells who or what the sentence is about. The telling part tells us something about the person, animal, or thing in the naming part. A cat is jumping. In this sentence, we are telling about a cat. So, a cat is the naming part of this sentence. And is jumping is the telling part. A peacock is dancing. What is the peacock doing? It is dancing. So, is dancing is the telling part of this sentence. A sentence is like a picture. It cannot have a missing part. It must give a complete idea. For example, playing with a ball. It does not tell us who is playing with the ball. That is, we do not get a complete idea or a picture. Now, hear the sentence. Nirav is playing with a ball. Now, we get a complete picture of Nirav playing with a ball. A sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. For example, those flowers are pretty. Nikki says, "School, I love going to." Let us place the words in correct order. I love going to school. Now the sentence makes sense. So, to make sense, all the words of a sentence must be placed in a correct order.
So children, here were the video related to sentence structure. Okay children, so here we end up with this session for this capitalization, punctuation and sentence structure. From next session itself, we are going to start our worksheet 1 relevant to all these chapters. First we wanted to clear up what are these concepts. Okay. So children, other than that, let me inform you, dear parents, please, sir has already posted a message regarding a parent orientation program it is actually done for your children to become a good reader. It's a very good app, and basically you have it itself in your, when you open your book, parents, you can just look into this page. Okay, already you have this page in your green color textbook with you along with your child, which shows that whatever importance does this Freedom app is having. Okay, it is a very good app basically for children from grade 1 to 3 for improved reading. There are many stories in that which you can read it. Okay, and after completing that story, there are many activities which you can take it. Okay, and based on that you get Freedo points also, and according to whoever is having Freedo points and monthly, whoever scores good, certificate is given from us. Okay, we have already as a good reader, as a super reader. Okay, it is basically used for reading application. Parents, please do attend this parent orientation program, which is scheduled tomorrow at 4 p.m. On Google Meet. Link is already with you on WhatsApp. Please, parents, do attend this parent orientation program, and this application is very good for your child to learn how to read. Very good program this is. Please parents, I hope you will understand and attend this orientation program. So this is for it today, children. Thank you for listening. So take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.